Alright friends, in this session we will learn about values method in Python dictionaries. So, the values method is used to get all the values from a dictionary. Similar to the keys, it returns a special view object. It's not a list, so we need to convert to the list using list method. So, let's use it. What's my dictionary name? Is capitals, and then I put dot notation and use values method. Right now, let's update this variable name, capitals values, and I copy and paste it here inside the print function. I run it. You see right now Berlin, Ottawa, and London. It's our values in dictionary. Okay, super. We can use our values wherever we want. See you in the next test.